1966 Mustang Convertible is the next car on our new arrival list. Silver blue over blue, 200 cubic inch inline six. A lot of people would take these Mustang Convertibles and put a V8 in them, a 289 or something, and I like them when they keep them true.
I do too.
Little six-cylinder, nothing wrong with that. 200 cubic inch, yeah. C4 3-speed automatic, and just a sharp-looking little car. It's lots of new parts and cool stuff that goes with it. So,
and as I wrote, all 66 convertibles leave here with a new owner.
Yeah, they don't stay very often. They don't stay
very popular.
So